everyone! Welcome back to our channel. Today we're making a super yummy and traditional Spanish dish that is sure to impress your family and friends. Spanish Paella. This dish is perfect for any occasion, whether it's a festive party or just a cozy dinner at home. It's a versatile dish that brings people together, and it's packed with flavors that will transport you straight to Spain. Let's get cooking! First, we need to gather all our ingredients. We'll need some good quality olive oil, a big onion, a red and green bell pepper, garlic, rice, and either chicken or seafood broth. Make sure to get fresh vegetables as they really enhance the flavor of the dish. We'll also need some saffron, which gives the paella its beautiful golden color, smoked paprika, salt, and pepper. For the protein, you can choose between chicken thighs, chorizo sausage, or a mix of seafood like shrimp and mussels. Don't forget the frozen peas and fresh parsley for that final touch of color and flavor. And of course, a lemon to add a bit of zest at the end. Now, let's start cooking. Heat the olive oil in a large pan over medium heat. This will be the base for all our flavors. Add the chicken thighs and cook them until they're nicely browned on all sides. This should take about 5-7 minutes. Once the chicken is browned, set it aside on a plate. We'll add it back in later. Next, add the chorizo sausage to the pan. Cook it until it's browned and has released its flavorful oils. This will add a smoky depth to our paella. Now it's time to add the chopped onion and bell peppers. Sauté them until they're soft and fragrant. This should take about 5 minutes. Add the minced garlic and cook for another minute, just until it's fragrant. Then, add the rice to the pan and stir it well. Let the rice cook for a couple of minutes, allowing it to absorb all the flavors from the pan. Now, pour in the saffron water, smoked paprika, salt, and pepper. Mix everything together so the spices are evenly distributed. This is where the magic happens, as the saffron infuses the rice with its unique flavor and color. Pour in the broth and bring it to a boil. Once it's boiling, turn the heat down to low and cover the pan with a lid. Let it simmer for about 15 minutes, allowing the rice to cook and absorb the broth. Now it's time to add the chicken and chorizo back to the pan. Nestle the pieces into the rice so they can continue to cook and release their flavors. Next, place the seafood on top of the rice. Cover the pan again and let it cook for another 10-15 minutes. This will ensure the seafood is cooked through and the rice is tender. Almost done. Just a few more steps. Add the frozen peas and stir them into the paella. Let them warm up for a couple of minutes. Finally, sprinkle the chopped parsley on top for a burst of freshness and color. Take the pan off the heat and let it sit for a few minutes to allow the flavors to meld together. And there you have it. A delicious and authentic Spanish paella that's ready to be enjoyed. Serve your paella with lemon wedges on the side for an extra zing. Enjoy your meal and savor the rich, vibrant flavors of Spain. If you liked this recipe, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tasty recipes and cooking tips. Thanks for watching and happy cooking. The recipe is in the description section.